Hi there, friends. In today's video, we are going to be factory resetting this Google Home Mini. It's a very simple process. Let's do it right now. So let me quickly walk you through the steps, and then we're going to do this on camera. Basically, in order to factory reset the Google Home Mini, you're going to need to have it, first of all, powered on. And on the very bottom, if you turn this over, and you look next to the power cord, you're going to see a little circle marking right there. Now, this you can actually press down and hold. Once you hold, we're going to flip it over and Google is going to start giving us some instructions. You'll hear it say, hey, if you keep holding this thing, it's going to reset. Continue holding until you see the lights continue to move, and then you can release. And at that point, the factory reset will automatically reboot the Mini. Okay, so let me go ahead and perform this function for you right now. I'm just going to push down that button right now, and I'm going to hold it and allow Google to give us some instructions.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
So as you can see, it's going to go through all three dots. There's the fourth one. You'll hear that little bleep, and then we can go ahead and release. All right, at this point, the dots will go off, and as you can see, Google is actually resetting the entire functionality of this little guy, erasing all the previous accounts that were on here and resetting it to the factory default settings so that we can set this up as a new device. If you're looking for the instructions on how to set this up as a new device, I'll put a link in the description box below. It makes it pretty easy. All right, folks, I hope that's helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button for me? It lets us know we're making good videos that are helpful. And stay tuned. You might want to subscribe because we've got a lot more Google tips, tricks, and tutorial videos that are coming up really, really soon. Thanks for watching.